Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up, activate and register the Access Bank app on your mobile device. If you just opened an Access Bank account or you recently downloaded the Access More app, you may need to sign up or activate the app before you can start using the app to transfer money, check your balance, buy airtime or manage your account. Many people face challenges such as forgotten user IDs, invalid credentials or error messages when trying to register or activate the Access More app or the Access Banking app. So in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can sign up, activate and register the Access Bank app on your mobile phone, whether you're a new or existing Access Bank customer. Follow the instructions carefully and you will have your mobile banking app fully activated in minutes. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So guys, the first thing you have to know is that for you to be able to use the Access Bank app, you must have an Access Bank account. You must have created your Access Bank account. And in case you've not created an Access Bank account, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how you can create your Access Bank account on your phone. Just go over to the description of this video. You'll see the link right there. Tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can create your Access Bank account right on your mobile phone. So after you've gotten your Access Bank account, the next step you have to take now is to download and install the Access More app or the Access Bank app into your device. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. If you're using an Apple device or an iOS device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So now I've opened my Play Store. The next step I have to take now is to search for Access Bank app. So I can do that by tapping on the search icon down there. So let me tap on it. Then the next step now is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. Then what I need to do now is to type in Access Bank app, or I can type in Access More app. So let me just type in Access Bank app. You can see I've typed it. Let me tap on search. You can see it's loading. Right there is the Access Bank app. You can see it. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. You can see the app right there. You can see the logo. You can see the name right there, Access More. So now the next step I have to take now in order to download and install this app into my phone is to tap on where you can see install on the right hand side. So let me tap on install. You can see it right there. Right there guys, can see it is now downloading. Let's just wait till it gets to 100%. After it's done downloading, after it has gotten to 100%, it's going to start installing automatically. My internet connection isn't that strong. Let's just wait a few seconds. You can see it's downloading. You can see it has gotten to 98% and now 100%. It's now installing. Wow guys, you can see the Access Bank app has been installed. The Access More app has been installed. Now the next step now is to open up the app. So for me to open up the app, I have to tap on open on the right hand side. So you can see it right there. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's opening. Right here is the next step. It says allow Access More to access your device's location. So let me tap on while using this app. You can see it is written while using this app. Then it says here allow Access More to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. You can see allow right there. Then here it says hello, welcome to Access More. Let's set up your profile. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see get started. You can see down there. So let me tap on it. Then right here it says do you have an account with Access Bank? Of course, like I said, you must have an Access Bank account before you can go ahead to use this app. So let me go ahead now to tap on where you can see yes. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it real quick. Then right here it says do you have a username and password? Of course we don't have, because you've not actually used this Access Banking app before. So I'm going to tap no, I don't have username and password. Let me tap on it. Then here is the next step. You can see what's written there at the top. It says registration, welcome to Access. Let me continue reading. It says right there register with an existing account, please enter details below. So guys can see the provided space. So you have to provide those informations that are needed. The first one right there is account number. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So you have to provide your account number. You have to type in your account number right there. The next one there is phone number. So you have to input your phone number. And the next one there is desired username. So you have to create a username for yourself, the username that you're going to be using to log in the Access Banking app. Then the next one right there is password. So you have to create a password and make sure the password is something that you can easily remember, because you're going to be using it to log in. And also guys, you have to take note of this. For your password to be accepted, your password should have at least one capital letter, one small letter, one digit, that means a number. The password should not be less than 8 characters, and you should also include a special character in it. Special character includes at, hashtag, asterisks, things like that. So you can use symbols as well. So guys, the next one there is to confirm the password. So you have to confirm it by retyping it to be sure that you know it, you know the password off heart. Then after that, the referral code, that is actually optional, so I'm going to be leaving that blank. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to fill in all of these informations: my account number, phone number, username and password. So guys, let me go ahead now to input it real quick. Right there, guys, can see I've inputted my account number, phone number, username and password. The password is not visible because that's a security information. So now the next step now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. You can see it's loading up. Then here's the next step. It says OTP. Please enter the OTP we've sent to your phone number. So I'm going to be expecting an OTP to be sent, maybe via through SMS to my phone number. But in case I don't get it, I'm going to tap on where I can see resend OTP. You can see it right there. So let me just wait. Wow, guys, you can see I've gotten a notification, a message from Access Bank. You can see it right there at the top and also below. Let me tap on the one up there. You can see what's written there. It says do not share even with Access Bank staff. Your Access More OTP is 259504. So guys can see I've gotten the OTP. Then it says down there as well, it says allow Access More to read the message below and enter the code. They say do not share even with Access Bank staff. Your Access More OTP is 259504. So guys, I can decide to manually input the code, or I can decide to allow the Access More app to automatically input the code for me. So I want the Access Bank app to automatically input the code for me. So let me tap on allow so it does that. So guys, now I can see the OTP has been automatically imputed. So what I can do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see continue. So let me tap on continue real quick. Let me tap on it. You can see it's loading up. Wow, guys, can see what's written there. It says you are ready to use Access More. So guys, now you can see you are successfully registered on the Access Bank app. So what I need to do now is to tap on where you can see start to use. So let me tap on it. Wow, guys, can see here's the next step. It says log in with your Access Bank credentials. So guys, the credentials that is needed right here is your username and password. And just now I just created my username and password some minutes ago. So I'm going to input that same username and password right here for me to be able to sign in. So let me go ahead now to input my username and password. Let me input my username first of all. Let me type it in. I can remember it. So make sure you can remember your username. If you forget easily, write it somewhere down so you can impute it. Though this is the only time you'll be able to impute the username. Once you log in with your username and password, the next time you would want to log into your Access Bank app, you will be asked to impute only your password. So I've imputed my username. Let me go ahead now to impute my password real quick. Right there, guys, can see I've imputed my username and password. So now the next step I have to take now is to quickly tap on sign in. So let me tap on sign in right there. Let me tap on it. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Then right here is the next step. It says choose your dashboard screen. You can see we have two options right there, standard and new. And standard has been automatically selected. So let me tap on save and close. Wow. Oh, okay, this is a notification. Let me tap on show me later. Wow, guys, cannot see now I've been able now to log into the Access Bank app. Now I can go ahead now to carry out transactions daily on this app, like make payments, pay bills and the rest of them. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to register, sign up and activate the Access Bank app. Let me go over to the menu section so I see my balance. You can see my available balance. You can see it up there. So I can do transfers now, make payments, pay bills and the rest of them, buy airtime. So guys, this is how you can simply do it, and I believe you got value from this. So do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.